Welcome to learners. Practice 300 English words with clear pronunciation. Read a short paragraph to test yourself. Practice daily and grow confident in English.
My dear friend, to improve your pronunciation, listen carefully and repeat after the audio. Don't just watch the video, start practicing.
Tool. Star. Slowly. Plus. Sugar. Ground. Walk. Voice. Speak. Press. Target. Heart. White. Worn. Spot. Ride. Text. Hit. Wind. Bright. Taste. Secret. Tough. Legal. Direct. Broad. Track. Skill. Wait. Near. Event. Driver. Wing. Spring. Wealth. Photo. Extra. Flat. Worry. Staff. Whose. Recipe. Junior. Flight. Appear. Widely. Rely. Pick. Friend. Brain. Animal. Shoot. Pour. Gain. Button. Apply. Sky. Pot. Him. Click. Author. Stage. Pretty. Maybe. Correct. Aware. Stick. Seam. Nice. Death. Brown. Thin. Sign. Prefer. Desire. Budget. Title. Table. Rich. Explain. Cheap. Topic. Task. Save. Explore. City. Touch. Unique. Self. Express. County. Vary. Wood. Shot. Fairly. Deep. Bowl. Classic. Soon. Fixed. Depth. Club. Credit. Stand. Foot. Display. Cool. Estate. File. Flow. Forget. Global. Tiny. Has. Well. At. Different. He. Toe. Most. Art. From. It's. Look. Tomorrow. People. No. I. No. Government. Tower. Other. Were. They. Our. Before. Trainer. Time. Then. More. New. Help. Translate. So. My. Will. Film. Between. Truck. Was. First. If. Just. Go. Uncle. We. Would. Some. Only. Own. Wake. These. Money. There. See. However. Weekly. May. Each. What. Used. Business. Whoever. Like. Over. About. Good. Us. Witness. Use. World. Which. Water. Great. Wrap. Into. Information. When. Been. His. Yesterday. Then. Map. 1. Need. Being. Youth. Up. Find. There. Should. Another. Cry. Out. Where. All. Very. Health. Dump. Who. Much. Also. Any. Same. Edge. Them. Take. How. History. Study. Fan. Make. Too. Many. Often. Why. Fully. Because. Want. Do. Way. Few. Letter. Such. Important. Net. Relative. Severe. Lock. Through. Family. Party. Response. Signal. Simple. Get. Those. Print. Sale. Similarly. Forgive. Work. Example. Raise. Season. Sleep. Tell. Even. While. Rarely. Selection. Smooth. Apple. Ball. Cat. Dog. Egg. Fish. Girl. Boy. School. Teacher. Book. Pen. Bag. Chair. Table. Door. Window. House. Room. Bed. Food. Water. Milk. Rice. Red. Street. Park. Bus. Car. Train. Shop. Market. Dress. Shoes. Phone. Clock. Light. Tree.
Congratulations! Now it is time for a self-test. We will give you a paragraph from the list of words provided. Just read it and rate your level.
Yesterday, I walked slowly down the street, carrying a bag with books and a pen. The bright sun shone through the trees near the park, and I could hear the wind. A friendly dog ran past a shop, chasing a ball, while a cat sat on a chair by a house window. People were busy at the market, buying rice, bread, milk, and fruit. A bus stopped near a school, and children waved happily. I took a photo of the scene because it felt peaceful. The world seemed simple and good. I smiled, ready to learn and explore more tomorrow.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We believe this video is tremendously useful to you. Please share it with your students, friends, and family members so they can also learn and benefit. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more simple and practical English learning videos.